Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to turn off or disable the Windows Defender on your PC, then this video is for you. Currently I'm on Windows 11, so you can do is simply click on the start icon here. Now simply search, you can go to settings. So when you are on settings, you can find this here where you can find privacy and security. Simply click on it, and here you can find the Windows security. Now from this Windows security, you can find all of these are checked here, so you can simply click on that Windows security from here. So if all are okay here, and here you can find firewall and the network protection. Now if you want to delete it, you can do is simply click on this Windows icon and simply click on control panel, search for control panel. Here it is. Now open the control panel, and here at the last you can find this Windows Defender firewall. So you can click on it, and from here you can find the status, and at the left side you can find some options. Among those you can find turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. You can click on it. Now here you can find turn on Windows Defender firewall, or this is for turning on, and if you want to turn off, then you can simply click on this here. And you can also do the same for turn off the Windows Defender firewall for public network settings. This is for private network settings, and this is for public. Then if you click on this one, and your Windows Defender firewall will be disabled or turned off. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.